We've been told the same story for a decade. The internal combustion engine is the villain. Solar and wind are the heroes. The future is green. What if I told you that in our quest to save the planet, we are, in fact, poisoning it in ways that are beyond repair? Imagine if your zero emissions lifestyle is unknowingly supported by one of the most toxic industries on the planet. Welcome to InNeedToKnow. Today, we're looking at the dirty secret behind the green revolution, the rare earth crisis. So what's the real problem? Consider this. When you pick up your phone or glance at an electric vehicle, EV, motor, you may not realize the incredible power within. Both devices rely on rare earth elements, specifically neodymium, terbium, and dysprosium. These crucial materials are essential for enhancing technology and driving innovation in our modern world. Despite the name, they aren't actually rare. They're everywhere. The problem? They're clingy. They're chemically bonded to other minerals, often alongside radioactive materials like thorium. To get just a tiny amount of neodymium for your iPhone's vibration motor, you have to initiate a chemical war. The reality, by the way, is different. Baotou, known as the rare earth capital of the world, is quite different from what we might expect. It has a troubling legacy. The extraction of rare elements involves the use of sulfuric and nitric acids, resulting in billions of tons of toxic waste and radioactive wastewater. The soil in this area is barren, and the water is undrinkable. Instead of addressing pollution, we are exporting it. While we maintain clean cities in the West, the global South suffers as this region is turned into a chemical wasteland. But now we'll get to where the real trap is, and that's why this is a crisis you should know. China controls nearly 90% of the processing of these elements. If China closes the faucet tomorrow, the green transition stops. No more wind turbines, no more EV batteries, no more advanced medical scanners. We've traded our dependence on Middle Eastern oil for a dependence on Chinese minerals. And the stakes are much higher. This confronts us with a difficult and urgent dilemma. Should we endure the local ecological devastation of mining to address the global crisis of climate change? Is there a viable alternative? Scientists are racing against time to discover synthetic substitutes or effective methods to recycle these minerals from outdated technology. Yet, as it stands today, we remain at a critical crossroads. The vision of a green future is not merely a whimsical fairy tale. It represents a complex trade-off that requires our honest engagement and discussion. Transitioning to sustainable practices and renewable energy sources entails significant compromises, such as balancing economic growth with environmental conservation. We must address these trade-offs, including the potential costs to industries reliant on fossil fuels, the need for technological innovation, and the impact on communities during this shift. By confronting these realities openly, we can better navigate the pathway toward a sustainable future that benefits both the planet and its inhabitants. If you found this eye-opening, hit that subscribe button. We dive deep into the things that shape our world, because in an age of misinformation, clarity is the one thing you need to know. What's your take? Is the environmental cost worth the climate gain? Let's argue, civilly, in the comments below. See you in the next video.